Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel Intexture by ANK. In today's video we're going to talk about bedroom paint color ideas. Choosing the best color for a bedroom is an important task. Finding the best bedroom color is significant, however figuring it out can be tricky. To find the best color for a bedroom, you need to consider many factors: the size and shape of the room, the natural light available, and the direction. In this video, we have carefully selected the top 7 bedroom colors projected to be the center of attention this year. These captivating colors will infuse your bedroom designs with a renewed sense of vitality, from the calming tones of green to the vibrant and stimulating shades of yellow. Embrace the future of bedroom aesthetics and revitalize your space with these stunning and timeless color options. We hope these bedroom colors inspire you to make the right choices for your bedroom designs and create the best sleep sanctuary. So, let's get started. The first color we selected to make your bedroom elegant was pale green. This incredible color is synonymous with nature, calm, and classic. This color is timeless and versatile, creating a serene atmosphere for a bedroom. Pale green can give a refreshing look to any room, inviting nature to get in. Neutrals are always the best option for bedrooms. Creating a bedroom with neutrals adds a gentle and soothing touch to the interiors. The neutral color palette adds warmth and elegance to any modern bedroom, with a soft color scheme of neutrals creating a natural and calming influence in the room. Neutral colors are the perfect combination for a cozy and stunning bedroom, adding to the bedroom natural elements and pile-on texture such as a soft rug underfoot or a diaphanous drape at a window. Elegantly transform the room. Neutral colors perfectly combine with cool colors such as light grays and soft greens, creating a stunning contrast to the bedroom colors. Dark blue has been famous for centuries. This color is stunning and combines with many hues to create glorious results. Inspired by the ocean, night skies, and dark and navy blues, this bedroom color is perfect example to make a serene and calm bedroom. The dark blues continue to be one of the best bedroom colors for interior designers. To create a subtle dark blue bedroom, paint only woodwork and pair it with contrasting floral wallpaper or white paint. To update the bedroom with a bit of color, introduce blue through decor accents, adding soft furnishings or accessories such as a rug or artwork. These tips for a dark blue bedroom will create a peaceful and calm bedroom scheme. Before we go any further with this video, if you want to support us, then like this video and subscribe to our channel. The wood, the colors, and the oak trees always inspired us. The enchanting forest ambience provides the interiors with leaves, richness, and nature. Dark greens are versatile and can be paired with many shades and materials. Adding this stunning forest green color to your bedroom will bring a sense of warmth and fresh air to your living space. Deep green perfectly combines with south-facing bedrooms, creating a dramatic and stunning tone to a bedroom. Combining natural materials and dark green makes a perfect connection to nature. One of the most passionate bedroom colors on this list is red. This color can transform interiors, adding a sophisticated fun aesthetic and a confident and playful ambience. Red is one color that adds positive energy. This enchanting and romantic color offers the perfect decorating scheme for a bedroom. Red can perfectly combine with accessories, deep shades, or shades of a bedroom. Adding this stunning color to your bedroom design can create different moods from playful to romantic. All kinds of reds will work well for your bedroom projects, but we selected some tips for combining the perfect red hues. The primary red works nicely in children's rooms, while the dark reds will combine perfectly in large bedrooms. Sage green is another of the best bedroom colors trending this year. The bedroom colors put comfort and calm at the heart of any bedroom decoration. This nature-inspired shade of green is the perfect choice for a relaxing bedroom scheme. Bedrooms are a relaxing sanctuary, so choosing the best colors can be the key to peaceful atmosphere we want to achieve. Green is the best option for a calm and inviting bedroom or home. Sage green provides a tranquil atmosphere and a sense of earth and wholesome to the living space. This color is one of the most positive bedroom color trends for this year. Yellow colors in bedroom bring energy, confidence, and optimism. This luminous color creates warmth and sunshine living space. From pretty primrose to zesty lemon, yellow is the best choice for creating a cozy bedroom with a touch of sunlight. The most bright color on this list, combined with soothing tones such as greys, pale and muted blues, gives a feeling of well-being and peace. Adorning bedrooms with yellow will bring creativity and coolness to any space. This is it for this video. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.